Hello. I'm here for the interview. What's up, everybody? It's been a minute. We're back here with the LINGDU dash cam and the new purchase, the new Subaru. Old Subaru, new to me Subaru, 2005 STI. Today we're going to be installing this bad boy, this LINGDU dash cam, the 5K. They sent me this and we're going to try it out. I've heard great things about them, so let's give this a shot. Obviously, to start off the camera, take this bad boy. Don't worry about that. Take this. Let's cut this plastic open. Put that away so you don't cut yourself. Now, let's see what we got here. User manual, it's important. Here's the camera. Nice and shiny, actually. It looks really good. This is your mount here, so peel that off and it's going to stick to your windshield. So if you have a tent, I'd be careful to probably rip the tent off if you ever want to take this thing back off. Does it already come with an SD card, it looks like? Already comes with a 64 gigabyte SD card. That is clutch. Put that back in there. What else we got in here? Got other sticky parts, I guess. And then your cable. Empty plastic. So let's get going. Okay, so next step is getting your car, obviously. Find your DC port. Mine's right here. So you're gonna need this guy. That plugs in right there, obviously, and then your cable plugs into there. You have to route it all the way up to wherever you want to route. You can go from the driver's side or passenger side. I'm gonna go from passenger. Then get there, probably go up under there, up here, around, and have the camera mounted right up in here somewhere. Okay, so little tip here. This camera doesn't come with a suction cup mount, so it's not easily as, you can't move it as easily as some dash cameras. So this one, take that peel off and it sticks. So route this, make sure you have enough cable before you stick the camera on. So if you just stick the camera out, say you put it right here and you route somewhere you don't have enough cable, well then you kind of just screwed yourself. They gave you an extra sticky pad, which is nice, but if you have a tint, be careful, you might rip the tint off the windshield. So we're gonna get to routing this right now. So you're gonna need some wire cutters or dikes, whatever you want to call them, some zip ties. I use this nice little set here to pull panels off and stuff, but you can use a butter knife, just be careful. Sometimes you don't even need a butter knife, like this here, for example. I'm gonna take this off, because I don't know what's just getting caught on there, so I'm just gonna take this thing out. That probably gives me enough room right there. So I'm gonna start by taking this guy, remember? Plugging it in, taking your wire, plug your wire in, booyah, right under here, pull it all the way through, and then pop it into place like so. Okay, so that's step one. Find a place where you want to wire it and you just keep it up here like that. So tie it around one of these wires up here. Doesn't have to be fancy, just out of the way. You guys know what I mean. Okay, that's up out of the way. Leave it there for now. See if we can wire it right in this door jamb here. Take that off for now. Wrap this up here. Start putting your seal back on as you wire this in. And this should just push it up in there. So that first part's done. Got this much cable left. So honestly, it's close enough where we can almost put it anywhere we want, which is really cool. Get a little pry action in there. Be careful because it's a headliner. They're not very cheap for any car, and they really suck to do. And then the rest of this can just be fed up through here. Normally there's kind of a little hole there, which is perfect. And then we'll just leave it. We'll just leave this here until we're ready to mount the camera. Spray it. take your handy dandy blue shop towel, clean it up. Take this dash cam, we got our film here. Pull that off. Get hair, whatever else is off of there. We're gonna stick it where we like it. Camera's on the left side, so let's put it like right there. Hold it down for 10 seconds or so. Next step is plug this in. Okay, let's plug this in. Turn the key on. Got a red light on, so that's good.
Recording started. Wi-Fi is on.
Okay, so she's working. That's good. That's important. That's good. So I know for a fact there's a LINGDU app. You can download the app, connect it to that. So we're gonna do that right now. But before that, we're gonna tuck all this wire up here where we don't want it. Now we got those wires up there, so let's go download this app and get it going. And our little pamphlet here, user manual, says here scan QR code. Go to our camera, let's scan this thing. Get this LINGDU app here. So you get in on here, turn the key on. Next the dash cam comes up, open the LINGDU app. It'll give you Thin Connect, join. So you can actually go in here and you can watch it in real time on your phone. So here we go. For example, you can control it, stop, slow down, whatever. Here's the, that's what the camera is saying. You can change, you can stop it, you can download stuff to your phone directly, switch modes, there's other modes, and you can figure out which resolution you want. That's it for today's video. Dash cam's installed. Honestly, barely even noticed through the windshield, but then you go back and clean the whole windshield because it's nasty. So anyways, I'll leave a link in the bio for LINGDU, and go buy yourself a dash cam. Trust me, it'll help you.